And breaking news, 12 News just obtained new court documents involving the youngest suspect in the kidnapping of a Milwaukee boy.
Yeah, so those court documents reveal the teen accused of snatching 7-year-old Jamal White earlier this month has a criminal past.
The teenager and 2 adults are right now in custody, charged with kidnapping Jamal White right near 61st and Eustis and taking him hostage.
12 News Hannah Hilliard live at the Milwaukee County Courthouse for us today at 5. And Hannah, prosecutors want this teen to face charges there.
All right, Blake, he is certainly young, but those prosecutors are pushing to have him waived here to adult court. Now, we're not naming this teen due to his age, but those court documents we obtained late this afternoon do show that he has previous ties to drug dealing.
Prosecutors say the person seen in this video, snatching 7-year-old Jamal White,
appearance beginning with the state,
is a 14-year-old boy, right now accused of kidnapping and taking a hostage. A newly obtained petition says the teen devised a plan with 2 adults, Corey Williams and Fabian Johnson, to rob Jamal White's parents. When that plan fell through, they kidnapped the 7-year-old, holding him hostage for nearly 24 hours. During that time, the court documents say Johnson and the teen, quote, went to several events so they could be seen and avoid suspicion.
And then we have mother here, SM. Would you like to add anything?
I would just like them to come home.
The commissioner determining this week the teen must stay in custody as the court now decides whether he will remain charged as a child. Newly obtained court documents show last year investigators found 18 grams of cocaine and 8.7 grams of heroin on the 14-year-old's nightstand. Prosecutors say he also had a loaded handgun. The 14-year-old's history with police will be a factor in whether he moves to adult court.
Does it happen very often?
I mean, it's rare. It's not the norm, right?
12 News legal analyst Craig Mastracchio says different than adult court, the judge can take the child's best interest into consideration.
Do you think this case for this 14-year-old goes to adult court, is waived to adult court?
Well, I think it certainly qualifies as an offense that could be petitioned for waiver. Now, within that, what's appropriate? I don't really know enough about the juvenile, the child.
A search warrant says the teen was just released from a juvenile detention center back in June, just weeks before the kidnapping of Jamal White.
Certainly learning a lot there. Hannah, these new documents also detail a jailhouse call.
Oh, right, Blake. So they say that this teen made a phone call to his father, who is right now in prison. We have learned that the teen's father is charged with child neglect. There's an open case for child neglect. He's accused of causing the death of his own baby. Now, this petition says that the teen did, in this phone conversation with his father, talk about the kidnapping. We will, of course, continue to keep tabs on what comes next for this teen, as well as those 2 other adults also charged with kidnapping.
Yeah, absolutely. Hannah Hilliard live at the courthouse for us today at 5. And as Hannah just mentioned there, 2 adults have also been charged in the kidnapping. Prosecutors say 38-year-old Fabian Johnson chased the boy's father into the house while the 14-year-old grabbed the child. Investigators say 25-year-old Corey Williams plotted for days to rob the boy's mother and was the getaway driver.